YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. If you guys are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button to join the channel and join the anonymous Sneakerhead family. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and maybe even we could hit 700 before the end of this month. We're right at 606 right now, man. So once again, if you're new, hit that subscribe button. Also, since you're here, you might as well hit that like button. It definitely helps with the algorithms, helps videos get shown to new people, and helps potentially bring new people to the channel. Now, I'm rushing a little bit today because at the time you're seeing this video, I would have recorded it much earlier this morning, but I have to get out of here, get on the road, and then I'll edit the video when I get to my destination. But I was able to get these a day before I expected. I wasn't expecting on being able to do this review until I got back from where I was going to be. So without further ado, let's get into it. So it came in a huge box, and like I said, I started packing my car last night, so my knife is in the car. So I'm just gonna rip the tape off. You know what I mean? And here we go. So this is actually pretty interesting, man. I wasn't expecting a box like this. When I get home from where I'm gonna be at from this little mini vacation, I'm definitely gonna have to look into this more in depth. But as you can see, it is a Reebok box, and you got the Reebok thing being kind of peeled off here. Trying to see the theme that we got going on. You can see the Kamikaze 2 right down there. You can see your question right there. What else we got around the box? Really dope. Got some TV screens ish. Is it supposed to be Minions related or related to the Shaq-fu game? Anyways, so this is a size 11.5 because I'm not gonna lie, I slept a little bit when these were put up on Finish Line. So I wasn't able to get my size 12, but I got as close as I could to a size 11.5, just a shoe that I really want to have in the collection. And this is a Shaqnosis Unisex. And the colorway is, do we get a colorway? Yeah, we get, what's that? Pry yellow, I guess. Black and black. So now let's take the top off.
I took the top off.
Go into the bag, or into the box here. We don't have anything special. Woo-hoo! We don't have anything special wrapping wise. Oh, that's a lie. We do actually. So let me throw this to the side. This is really interesting, guys. Let me pull these bad boys out, man. Yes, sir. Here they are. The Reebok Shaqnosis with the Shaq-fu theme, the Shaq-fu and Minions theme. Yo, I'm so excited to have a pair of Shaqnoses in hand. Y'all don't know, man. So excited to have these. Now, I love Shaqnoses. Never owned a pair, and I feel a particular way with the colorways. Like, they make a lot of colorways where the midsole pattern and the upper end doesn't match. For example, the USA ones that came out recently, they don't look good to me. To me, you need to have that whole illusion of the circles going all the way around from the midsole to the upper. That's what makes it to me like you get on the OG black and white one. I saw this yellow one, and it's the exact same color blocking as the OG. So like I said, man, I absolutely had to go for it. You get your Reebok tags right there. Pattern continued on the outsole. Now, you guys, I don't know if I'll put this in the title or not, but I definitely talked about it on my Instagram briefly. But this sneaker right here is the reason why I personally will not be going after the black and University Gold 12s, man. Because I already got that black and yellow colorway, as you guys can see in hand right here. These things are so fire. Now let's just look at some of the detailing real quick. I know there's some details I wanted to hit. The lighting back here is rough, but you can see, like, you do get some of your Shaq-fu from the video game. Let's see if this one's any different. Your Shaq-fu detailing on the heel as well as on the tongue. I don't know how well you could see that. And then the other really important part of this shoe, as a matter of fact, it's pretty hard to get out right now, so I'll just attach a picture of it to the screen right there. But you do have your Minions insole on these, man. I'm so excited to have these in hand. Yo, I was hyped when I saw these dropped on Finish Line. I know a lot of people slept on them. I think a lot of people are going to be wishing that they got them. And then, like I said, it does look like we got some type of pattern on the paper here. We do. Like I said, this is a Minions-ish collaboration, so you do have, like, the Minions eyes. Oh, there goes the box. You do have the Minions eyes all the way around the paper. I'm going to take this box in the paper with me. Oh, look at this. I haven't seen any of the Despicable Me or the Minions movie. I just like the shoe, the Shaqnosis. But I think I'm going to have to watch the movies maybe this weekend to get a better understanding of what's going on with the box and everything. If you guys know anything about that, let me know down below in the comments. But Man, I'm so excited to have these. Beautiful, beautiful shoe. Great quality all the way around. Gonna get a lot of wear out of me. But that's it for this video, you guys. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. Just wanted to get that quick review in. Like I said, I gotta hit the road. I'll definitely be talking about these more down the line. But yeah, that is it for this one, man. Like I said, the Anonymous Sneakerhead, most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. If you're new here, make sure that you join the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. Also, since you made it this far and since this is such a beautiful shoe, you gotta smash that like button, man. Just do it, man. It just helps the cause. You know what I mean? And then last but not least, follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information there first. Probably going to go post about these right now, so you'll probably see them on my Instagram before you see the YouTube video. But that is it for this one, man. And as always, never forget, it's all about the sneakers.